Hi everyone! So right now we're going to be making homemade pizza. So for homemade pizza, what you need is your measuring spoons and your measuring cups, including a 1 cup and a half cup. You need some salt, all-purpose flour, olive oil, and some yeast. And then you just need whatever toppings and sauces that you want. So what we're going to do first is we're actually going to take the yeast, and we're going to take 3 teaspoons of yeast. Sometimes the packaging is really hard to open, so sometimes you will need scissors. And I know that this is 3 teaspoons of yeast, but I'm going to double check it. 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3. And then we need to put it in 1 cup of warm water for 5 minutes. That will just activate the yeast, so then your dough will rise. So you don't want the water to be boiling. You just want it like room temperature. And you let that sit for 5 minutes. So the yeast should be activated right now. We had it resting again for 5 minutes. So now we're going to add in our 2½ cups of flour. And then 1 tablespoon of salt. And then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And you can use a spatula to mix it. I'm going to use my little handheld just to make it a little bit easier for myself. So you're going to be mixing for about 3 minutes. And while I'm mixing, I normally spin the bowl just to make sure that I'm getting everything off the bottom. So I mix with the mixer for a little while, and then I use my hands, and it'll start to form a dough. Oh my goodness, it smells so good already. So once it looks like this, what we're going to do is make it into a bit of a ball. Keep it in your bowl. Put a drying cloth or a tea towel over it, and you're going to leave it for about 15 minutes just to rest. Alright, so it has been resting for 15 minutes, so you're just going to take it off. It's risen just a little bit. Get rid of that. So what you're going to do now is you're going to get a tray out. If you have a pizza pan or a pizza stone, you can use it. With the sheet pan that you're going to use, I always just spray it down a little bit. A little bit of oil. If you don't have a little bit of oil, you can use a little bit of butter. And I always put a little bit of flour on my sheet tray. The worst thing about using a pan with holes in it, it's going to get on your stove top. Just letting you know. Alright, then you're going to dust your surface that you're going to roll your dough out. Sorry about that. And then you're going to dust your rolling pin because you don't want it to roll. So you're just going to roll it out. Now some people get the perfect circle. I never get the perfect circle when I'm doing the pizza. Sorry, Chef John, if you're watching. So pizza is one of my favorite meals done at camp. There's lots of different kinds of pizza, and we have it at least once a week. So my pizza is as thin as I want it. I like it a little bit thick. If you like a thin crust, you're going to keep rolling. I'm going to transfer it. I'm going to call my pizza rustic. AKA, it's not the perfect circle, as you can see. So, I'm going to take my base. You can use whatever sauce you want. You can use marinara. You can use just tomatoes. You can use pesto. You can use barbecue. You can use buffalo. Whatever you like. You also can use Alfredo, which is really good. Or garlic butter. So just put a little bit, and then you're going to get a spatula or a spoon and just spread it around a little bit. And again, if you like your pizza super saucy, you can put on. If you don't like it super saucy, you don't have to. I think I need a little bit more sauce. So while you're doing this, you're going to want to set your oven to 450, and it'll just preheat while you're going. Alright. Again, with your pizza, you can put on whatever you want. Maybe you want some pepperoni, you want some sausage, you want some chicken, whatever you like, or whatever you have in the cupboard. I'm just going to be making a cheese pizza tonight, so I'm going to use some shredded cheddar. Goodness gracious me. This bag does not want to open. Oh, I didn't cut it. Sorry about that. And I'm just going to put my cheese all over. You will get messy making this, but that's the fun of cooking, right? And I'm going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Now, if you have Parmesan cheese you can grate, that's great. I like to use this. Just put a little bit on. Again, you can put as many toppings on this as you want. I'm going to just give this a quick little wipe at the bottom because I put it in the flour. And then I'm going to put it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you're going to want to take your pizza out of the oven. Make sure you're using an oven mitt or something to protect your hands because the pan is extremely hot. But voila, your pizza. Well, I hope you now go and enjoy it, and I will see you soon.